So this is the Apexi N1 Catback exhaust for the Integra LS or Type-R. DC2, so the two-door version. The tip diameter is 115 millimeters, which is 4.5 inches. The inlet diameter is 61 millimeters, which is about 2.5 inch. This will be for the NA B18C5 that comes on the Type-R. The great thing about this exhaust is it comes with a silencer tip already in there. So if you find it a little too loud, all you need is a M5 hex bit, 10 millimeter ratchet. The silencer will come out. If you have a track day and there's a noise limit, or you're getting pulled over by cops for your exhaust, you might as well just throw the silencer in. Really nice welding as always. Can't wait to get this on the DC2. Of course, in the box you'll get the rest of the piping, instructions, some gaskets, and hardware. The install should be really simple. It's just a bolt-on exhaust. So all the guys that were into JDM tuning know about the N1 exhaust. The N1 exhaust came from a lot of R&D during the N1 Endurance series. You've probably seen it on older JDM cars with the angled exit under the rear bumper. Apexi is as OG as it gets. I'll be running this exhaust until I go K24 turbo. At that point, I'll need a 3-inch inlet for the muffler. Alright, so right here we've got the Apexi N1 Evo Extreme Universal Muffler. This one has a 123 millimeter tip, and the inlet here is 75 millimeter, which is 3 inches. You guys know I want to go K24 turbo, so I need something with 3-inch inlet to make some custom 3-inch piping. Here's the standard N1 and then the N1 Evo. This has got a 115 millimeter tip versus the 123. Right now I actually run the N1X Evo exhaust for the FK8, and you guys know it's my favorite exhaust. Just the size of the tips, the way they sit underneath the diffuser, and I love the rolled titanium tip right here. I like it as opposed to a lot of the other burnt titanium tips out there that are thin like this. So here's how the canister portion of the mufflers compare. A lot larger on the N1X. And of course, you've got the 61 millimeter inlet diameter versus the 75. Shout out to Apexi. They were kind enough to also include these accessories for when I make the custom piping on the N1X Evo. They included the muffler hanger band. This will go around the muffler. It's just so you can weld the hangers onto the hanger band instead of welding it onto the muffler. I'm excited to put that on. Let's go ahead and unbox the last package they sent. All right, lastly we have the Apexi N1 Evolution dampers. These are built to order in whatever spec that you want. All you have to do is contact Apexi and tell them exactly what your application is going to be. You can go over what kind of spring rates and length, and they'll have them made to order from Japan. Huge shout out to Apexi Japan. They had the parts to assemble this kit for the DC2, and they expedited that so they could get it onto the February container. That's why it's here so quick. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Check this out, guys. Let's take a look at the fronts. Alright, so the specs on these, the front have a 7-inch spring, 9-inch spring in the rear, 16K spring rate up front, 7K in the rear. So I've only seen 2 Hertling Solid Joker wide body DC2s, and both of them are a little bit stanced. They run like a really stretched tire. You guys know I'd rather run a meaty setup, so I'm going to do a lot of work on the suspension so I can get that dialed in. Update on the DC2 Type-R is booked for the next ship out. They're going to get me all the documents and stuff soon. They're going to send me some video clips of it so I can get that video started on how you guys can import your own JDM vehicle. It was honestly a lot easier than I thought it was going to be, mainly because of stacked exports and how they communicate with you about the export process. So that's all for this video. I just wanted to show you guys the new sponsorship I picked up from Apexi and all the products that they sent. I truly appreciate the opportunity. So thanks for watching, guys. You guys know I love JDM parts. The DC2 build is going to be crazy. Make sure to like and subscribe and turn your notifications on. Thanks for watching.